are which covers in the Jira Session is why stories are required and the usage. Who will be working on story once it is created, and what does the Jira story contains. If you need access to my project, be a part of edigital team, just send an email to the edigital.info.academy@gmail.com with the subject as Jira. Okay, so let's go to the story. So this is my URL. So this is my project URL. Just I'll copy and I'll open a browser. Okay. Okay. This is actually which you will be seeing in the real-time industry, how the Jira works and the how the Jira will be used in the IT industry based on the projects. So if you go to any projects, if you are joining any projects, this is the tool we use in the Jira for the process of the project to tracking the items and what things to be done. So generally how this will be created means there will be once you get an access, you are seeing in a button called a create. Once you create it, so the story. Okay, so this is my project. So I have only one project, which is a create a college project. So but if you see in your organization, you might have multiple projects based on your access to the Jira. So story, this is a story which the ribbon which looks in a blue color is in a story. Also, these are standard symbol. These are standard symbol maintained by the Jira software, and the task and the bugs and the list of items in the drafting. So first he'll be selecting the story in the drafting and add a subject. So what is summary? Summary says which component, what exactly the story indicates. Like if I want a login page on a dashboard, the same thing should be done on the login page on dashboard. So these indicates the clear picture of it, what exactly the story says on the summary and the description. So what kind of a login page you should contain as per the client requirement. So client says that I need the login page with the username and the password and a simple sign button. That's it. So and the validation part, which has the valid credentials with the valid characters, the character size, the limit of the username, and the limit of the password. Okay, so then we'll go here, and these are all basically depends upon the your project allocation and the your requirement on the decision you have taken the requirement. So why this is pre and medium high? So this want to be high medium. So login page. So this can be delivered as highest and high or low or medium. So login page, the client wants to deliver as fast as, and this should be picked up very fast. So team should start working on it. So we'll put it as a high or highest. Medium means they might take in the when all the high priority items has been picked up. So click on the create button, it will be created. So already I have created it. So you can see this subject name, summary, login page on a dashboard, and the description of it. A login page on a dashboard, what does it information contain. So here I'm using only for the creating a story, creating only for the login page. Like you have the n number of items like admin page, you'll have the student data or college data.